After months of planning, fabrication, and installation, this is the turning point, where every connection, every signal, and every pixel finally comes together. This is where the Oculus comes to life. With the last panels installed, the focus shifts from construction to precision, preparing the system for calibration, testing, and final performance.
So we're currently in the Nixle installation and commissioning phase. We're wrapping up Nixle installation activities and we're moving into commissioning activities. There's several spots where you see blue tape on the video wall itself. What we're doing here is we're marking two things. One, wherever there's alignment issues where the alignment's not quite perfect, and two, where there are dead pixels that we need to replace. And the reason we're kind of jumping on these at the last possible minute to make these adjustments is because we want to handle each individual Nixle as few times as possible. Because every time you handle one, there's a risk of damaging it. We currently have nanolumens and smart monkeys on site to do programming activities. So there's some stuff that's rendered in Unreal Engine on the Pixaras that's then shown on these monitors, and those have very intense performance requirements, and they're a little more tricky to render. So those are currently presenting obstacles. Though once this is done and looking complete, we're not completely done. There's a little bit of a burn-in phase that needs to happen. We're gonna do some endurance tests, which is just letting the system run for 2 weeks straight, no interruptions. So challenges up to this point to get us where we are now. There were a lot of challenges with regards to cabinet fit. We got past most of those, but putting the cabinets in took about twice as long as we projected just because we had to work alongside other trades. So we're working on a condensed timeline. In order to get to where we are now, we've had to face a lot of unique challenges. I mean, we've done video walls as a company, but this is a very unusual video wall. We've pulled in a lot of resources from the engineering side to figure out the best way to do attachments and how to overcome the framing challenges that we've come up with. Compared to other jobs we've done, this one has involved a lot of coordinating with other trades, a lot of challenges to overcome structurally and, mechanically. Nothing quite fully prepares you to build something this challenging and this unique with this amount of coordination required.
This is the turning point, where testing becomes confidence and engineering becomes experience. The Oculus is no longer under construction, it's alive. Don't miss episode 5 of Oculus, an immersive experience where we will put a spotlight on the partners, the precision, and the teamwork behind a one-of-a-kind installation.